If you're looking for a USB 2.0 cable that fits perfectly in tight spaces without compromising performance, the C2G USB 2.0 cable with molded angled connectors is worth a look. It connects your PC or Mac's USB 2.0 port to printers, keyboards, mice, and other USB-B compatible devices with ease. What sets this cable apart is its molded angled connectors. These allow you to plug in devices even in cramped areas, preventing awkward bending or damage to the cable. The molded design also provides excellent strain relief, protecting the internal conductors and extending the cable's lifespan. Signal quality matters, especially when transferring important data. That's why this cable features a double shield, foil and braid, that guards against unwanted noise interference. This shielding ensures your data transfers smoothly and error-free, even in environments crowded with electronic signals. Speed is another key benefit. Supporting USB 2.0's high-speed transfer rate of 480 megabits per second, this cable delivers fast and reliable connections. Plus, it's backwards compatible with USB 1.1 and 1.0 devices, so you can use it with older equipment without any issues. Customers appreciate how well this cable fits and performs. One reviewer mentioned using it with a DJ controller in a tight case, highlighting how the 90-degree connectors made all the difference. It's a practical solution for anyone dealing with limited space or awkward port placement. C2G also ensures quality by packaging every product in their branded packaging, so you know you're getting a genuine, well-made cable. This attention to detail reflects their commitment to durability and customer satisfaction. If you need a dependable USB 2.0 cable that combines flexibility, protection, and speed, this C2G cable is a solid choice. It's designed to keep your devices connected without fuss, even in challenging setups. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your device connections. Whether it's for work, gaming, or creative projects, this cable delivers what you need: secure, fast, and reliable performance in a compact design.